What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of NAS100 analysis today, and we're going to be covering a few scenarios that I've seen taking place today, and hopefully we're going to be able to capitalize. Recapping from last week, I'm still not in the trade, but I do have a pending order, okay, in the markets at the moment, and I'm basically sitting at this level right here. Sitting at this level right here for a sell, right? So I placed that around mid last week, right? So I placed that at that level. So I'm just waiting to see if price goes to that level, and if it retraces from that level, ultimately it could just shoot up, break across, hit my stop, and continue on this journey upwards. I still believe it's going to pull down, but like I say, I don't know everything, so we'll see how that goes. So that's where I've got basically my pending sell is sitting right here. All right, so with that covered, we're just going to look at some analysis as to where we think market is going to go. So let me just move this out of the way. Actually, let me just get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. Right, so this was the level that we talked about previously, and I'm not sure which video I talked about that in. If that was in the last video, I talked about price coming back to this zone. This level is still important. Oh, and just to mention that too, this level right here is also my TP. So this level is my TP. This level is where I have my pending order for a sell, and we see how it plays out. So you kind of have to backtrack there based on what I was saying. So we're going to go into a lower time frame. So we're going to go into a lower time frame just to get an idea of exactly what is going on and how we can best move in this situation. All right, so first things first, looking at it in a lower time frame, I'll be honest with you, okay, it doesn't really tell me a lot as to what is going on. So for example, there's a couple of things that I see. The first one is this channel over here. So the first one is this channel over here. And this channel looks like it has broken, okay, and it's back up to the top of this level right here. So it's back up to the top of this level right here where I'm circling. So it's heading up there. Is it going to push through and keep going up and get to this zone? That I don't know. I am hoping it does get to that zone, but I'm also hoping when it gets to that zone, it begins to pull back. But looking at this so far, okay, it tells me it's going to be pushing up, and it is pushing up from what I can see right now. It is pushing up. So you want to see what it does. Is it going to do something like this? Okay, is it going to do something like this? Get up here, pull back down to this zone, and then push up, because it is in this kind of formation to push up. Okay, so that's one thing we're looking at. It's in the formation to do that, but also bearing in mind, we have to bear in mind this resistance level over here as well. Okay, is it going to break above? And this resistance level is quite a strong one on the shorter time frame, but however, it also shows itself on the larger time frame as well. So for example, if I was to level this across, so let me just hit this real quick. So there's no cheating involved. We just go to settings and let's do visibility. No, that's not it. Aha. So we're going to extend this right and we're going to extend this left. And let's see where it crosses over. So we can see it crosses a low at this level over here. And how do we know? It crosses a low at this point over here. Well, not necessarily a low. It's kind of a high according to the MACD. So if we made the MACD a little bit bigger. I actually thought it was a low, but it actually is a high. So it crosses a high. There it is over here, and this is its corresponding level on the MACD right here. And then it crosses another high. All right, so this thing is crossing highs at the moment, right? Where this level is right now. And this two over here is considered a high point as well. Okay, so let's see what happens when market opens, which is going to be in the next few hours. It's not going to be long from now, from where the time is. It's opening around 11 o'clock UK time in the evening, so it's just a few hours away until market opens. So in my opinion, what do I think is going to happen? Okay, I think there is a good chance that price is going to get to the zone, right? Once price gets to the zone, it can do one or two things. Either it can break all the way through and continue to push up to reach this level, which is 12416.19. It could actually do that, or it could pull back down from this level. Okay, so these are the two things it can do. What I want to happen is I want price to get to the zone of 11573.32 and begin to pull back down, because I've already set myself up in that position, right? Now, whether it does that or not is yet to be seen, and that is what I'm waiting for to take place. Anything else I can cover? Just have a look, see if there's anything else I can cover before I wrap this video up. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is pretty much it. All right, so guys, don't forget to check out the other videos that you will see towards the end of this video. So you're going to have the thumbs on all corners of this video. Make sure you check them out. Useful information in there. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like, especially if you found the content useful. The channel will definitely appreciate it, and I will definitely appreciate it. All right, so guys, with nothing more to say or to add, I want to thank you all for taking the time to come over and check out what I have to say, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.